numbers 13 through 16, you're going to have to read it and decide. Well, for 13 and 14, decide if it's true or false, and if it's false, provide a counterexample, meaning show why it's false. So if you look at number 13, it says the sum of an even number and an odd number is always even. So in order to answer that, you got to know what basically sum is. This word. What does that word mean? Okay, is it the answer of addition problem, a subtraction problem, a multiplication, or a division? Well, if you don't know, a sum is an answer to an addition problem. So what you're going to do is you're literally going to take an even number, take any even number, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, pick one of those, and add it to an odd number, 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Pick any one of those. Add them together and show, does it always show up as an even number? Now, once you do one, do another one. And if you do a second one, do a third one. If it seems like it's always going to be an even number, your answer is true. If the answer is false, you found an odd number, write down the example that got you the odd number. For number 14, the question says multiplication of whole numbers is associative. Meaning, remember what associative means. Associative means you can change where the parentheses are. It doesn't matter, you're still going to get the same answer. Is that true? Can you change the parentheses, which numbers you multiply first? If you do 2 times 3 times 2, will you get, 2 times 3 times 4, that's better, and multiply it by, and then do 2 times 3 times 4 and multiply the last two, will you get the same answer? If yes, then it's associative. Number 15, they want you to rewrite the expression using associative property. So you can do x plus 7 plus 3. Look up associative property. How do you do associative property? Rewrite that so it looks like associative. And then 16, you're going to rewrite that so that looks like distributive.